Your digital locker in Fortnite isn't just a collection of pixels. It's a massive investment of time and money that reflects your entire history with the game. When a site like Fortimpact pops up promising to tell you exactly how much your rare skins and emotes are worth in real-world currency, the temptation to click that login button is almost overwhelming. It looks slick. It looks professional. But the moment you see that request to connect your Epic Games account, you need to freeze. This platform claims it can scan your inventory in seconds and even suggests you could walk away with cash for your account. Those are massive promises. The problem is that there is absolutely no verified connection between this site and the actual creators of the game. It is a total third-party operation. When you look closer at the trust signals, the whole thing starts to feel a bit shaky. The domain itself is incredibly new. It has basically no footprint on major review platforms. You won't find a trail of happy customers confirming they actually got paid. Instead, you find automated security systems flagging the site as suspicious. That is a major red flag that should make anyone pause. Think about the claims they are making for a second. They say they have checked millions of lockers and valued billions of dollars in cosmetics. For a site that barely has a digital history, those numbers feel like they were pulled out of thin air to build unearned authority. Most people don't realize how dangerous a third-party login can be. Even if they use a standard, secure login method, you are still granting a level of access to your digital life that is hard to claw back once it's gone. If a site is not an official partner, they have no accountability if your account suddenly disappears or gets locked for violating terms of service. Selling accounts is already a gray area that can get you banned. Following a site that encourages it is playing with fire. The risk here is labeled as high for a very good reason. You have to ask yourself if a bit of curiosity about a price tag is worth losing years of progress and hundreds of dollars in legitimate purchases. If you still feel the itch to check it out, you better have two-factor authentication locked down tight. You better research every single claim they make on their landing page. Don't take those flashy graphics at face value. A professional-looking website is very easy to build these days, but a reputation for safety takes years to earn. Right now, this site has a reputation of zero. It is a black box. You are essentially handing over the keys to your house to a stranger who promised to tell you how much your couch is worth. Just because the stranger has a nice suit doesn't mean you should trust them with your front door code. This isn't just about some game skins. This is about your personal data and the security of your online identity. We live in an era where digital theft is more common than physical theft. A single moment of clicking the wrong link can lead to a domino effect of compromised passwords. People spend years building their collections. They hunt for rare items and participate in limited time events. Losing all of that for a fake valuation is a nightmare scenario. Always remember that if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. There is no such thing as easy money in the world of gaming cosmetics. If a site promises you a huge payout for your account, you are the product. They want your data or they want your access. Protect your digital footprint like it is gold. Your account is far more valuable than a random estimate on a screen. Take the time to do your homework before you ever give a third-party tool permission to touch your gaming life.